Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync contacts from Gmail. We will walk through the simple steps to export your valuable contact information from your Google account. Then, we will cover how to import those contacts to another device or service, ensuring your connections are always up to date and accessible. Finally, we will discuss best practices for managing your contact list effectively. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to Google Contacts. You can select all your contacts, choose several specific ones, or even just one. Next, locate and click the Export button, usually found on the left side. You will then choose an export format. Google CSV is great for backups, while vCard is often preferred for Apple devices. Finally, save the file to a convenient location on your computer. Once you have your exported file, the next step is importing it to your desired device or service. For iPhones, you might use iCloud or sync directly with your Google account. Android devices often sync automatically with Google, or you can import a vCard file. Many email clients also have an import feature. Always ensure the file format you exported matches what the new platform requires for a smooth transfer. Keeping your contact list organized is key. Make it a habit to back up your contacts regularly, perhaps once every 3 or 6 months, to safeguard against accidental loss. Take time to review your list, removing any duplicate entries or outdated information. Utilizing labels or groups within Google Contacts can also help you categorize your connections, making it much easier to find specific people when you need them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.